at the age of them. Your transmission lines, we found, were some of them were over 100 years old, and those are the main transmission lines that go to town that are the most vital. Then we looked at throughout the entire system, what's been breaking, what needs to be improved, looked at the high priority areas of fire flows for downtown, around the schools. We really went through and made a priority list of projects that are critical to the city. And we broke that up over a 5-year plan. The first year being the most important, transmission lines going to town, and then working their way through over a 5-year period, because you don't want the entire town tore up in one year.
You know, last year we had those big storms and we had a couple of outages, and they even called for voluntary boil orders. So how will replacing these lines affect something like that?
Well, I mentioned we identified and looked at all the breaks and where your critical was, and we went back and looked even upon those events, that those lines are the critical lines that are being replaced. So that'll minimize outages whenever we have those historic winter storms like we just went through, where the entire town was out of water. These main transmission lines, when they break, you don't have time to find them and repair them before you are negatively impacting the system. The most important we start at in year one is to start with those transmission lines as they go out into the system.
Not much point in fixing the end before you fix the beginning.
Absolutely.